am so excited to have you here today in our first reading lesson. In these lessons, we are going to learn how to use the letter sounds we learned in book 1 to read and write words. Are you excited? Yay! I am really excited. So in these lessons, we are going to use book 2. Book 2 is all about blending. Say blending. Blending is when we join letter sounds together to read the word. We say the individual sounds like a, and then put them together to read the word a, Excellent. So we are going to do a lot of blending activities in these lessons moving forward. Before we start the lesson, let's go through the letter sounds we already know because we really need them. All right, these are speed sounds. You are going to say them out loud with me. Let's go. S, a, t, p, e, d, g, o, k, e, o, r, b, l, j, v, w, x, y, z. Amazing! You know all your letter sounds. Now, let's check. Do we have all the resources we need for this lesson? Do you have your workbook? Yay! Well done! Do you have your pencil? Excellent. Do you have your sticker chart? Amazing! You are so ready for lesson 1. Now, friends, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to join 2 letter sounds together to make the word or to read the word. First, let's do it orally without having a pencil and a paper or letters involved. Let's say, what word do you hear? Blend in a slow way. Faster way. Excellent. I am teaching my lovely children. All right, my lovely students. Okay, let's go. Another one. Blend in a slow way. Faster way. That's a nonsense word. It doesn't make any sense. But we are just building the skill. Which one? Let's see. Eat. Blend. What did you hear? Eat. Excellent. Well done. Now, I am going to write some letter sounds down on the board and you're going to help me to say them out, to read the word. Okay? Say the letter sound. When I put a dot underneath, it's a button. So when I press the button, I want you to say the letter sound. Letter sound. Excellent. Now, let's have another. Letter sound. Say the sound. Good job. Now let's try to say. Let's try to sound out together. Excellent. Now let's blend these letter sounds together in a slow way. One more time. Faster way. Excellent. Let's have a go with another word. Okay? It doesn't matter even if the word doesn't make sense. All right. Say the sound. Your turn. Good job. Now blend them in a slow way. One more time. Faster way. Have you read it? Well done. Let's work it out together. Sound. A. Good job. Blend the slow way. A. One more time the slow way. A. Faster way. Ep. The word is ep. It is a silly word. Good job, friend. I am so proud of you. Now, in your workbook, you are going to do the same job. Okay? I want you to find lesson 1. Okay? Lesson 1. And then sound out these letters. Then blend them together in a slow way. After that, you blend them in a faster way to hear the word. Let's try one together. At. Slow way. At. Fast. And one more time the slow way. At. Faster way. At. The word is at. I want you to go to do the same for the rest of the words here. Okay? When you're done, you're going to put a check mark here in the box to show that you're done. After that, you're going to go to the back of the book. Okay? And give yourself a sticker against lesson 1 for the good job done. All right? Okay. Thank you so much, friend, for working really hard. Go and practice blending to read these words, and I'll see you tomorrow in another lesson. Bye.